Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Just looking here at the short term today. So very nice. Yeah, we reversed as well, a bit like Bitcoin and Ethereum out of their support areas that are defined. So Solana also has a possible 1-2 setup here, which means there is some short-term upside potential, possibly first into the region around $18. Is that something I would trade? No, of Solana, I'm not. It's a bit too risky because for me that there are better charts. For example, I expect a similar outcome out of Ethereum, but it is just a much better chart from my point of view. Yeah, anybody can have a different opinion because with Solana, this all could very well. Let me just zoom out a bit. I explained that I think yesterday. Since the low here from the 10th of November, 9th of November. All of what we're doing here could just be a wave 4, yeah, that allows, for example, higher prices in a wave 4, in a C wave of 4, and we could then come down in a wave 5 afterwards into the region around $7. That's sort of the ideal target if the red count is correct. We won't know that until we get higher anyway, so the only reason to really tell the difference if we get 5 proper waves up, as indicated here in sort of, I don't know what color that is, orange, yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we hold an ABC support, make a higher low, then it's most likely not a wave 5 which is going down. Then we can talk about a breakout, but it's too early now. We can always only trade what's in front of us, really. So but yeah, for me also what's currently coming up here from the low is not too convincing. I think also here, for example, Ethereum is outperforming Solana in terms of that, because there's just much more coming up, and that just doesn't give a good impression for Solana. If Solana was seriously underpriced, and if anybody wanted to, you know, get it at a discount, people would come in. Where are these people, right? All it has done is it's reacted, yeah, from the low at around $11. It pushed up to 15, which is not bad, but it's nothing unusual in crypto. It's come down, it hit support, but the reaction to my support area, which is, I mean, anybody who added a long position here, yeah, it is, you know, it would be a profitable trade, but it's just not great. So I said before, I'm not convinced of this chart. Obviously, there's a lot of requests, but as long as Solana is below that 88.7% FIB level that I mentioned, which is $29, be extremely careful, right? Be extremely careful with Solana. I can only repeat that. Anyway, we hit the 50%. No, we hit the, what did we hit? 50% FIB level, yeah, at 12.95. What's currently coming up here looks quite corrective to me. It doesn't really look impulsive, so there could very well be one more leg coming. Don't be surprised, because it can use the entire yellow box in a wave 2 scenario, or even if this is just an ABC, it can also use the yellow box down to around $11.70. Only below that price, it would be an indication that actually we go down straight away, and we'll go to those lower levels around $7 straight away without seeing those higher prices. So that tells you a lot about a possible stop loss level. We've hit resistance here a few days ago. That is here at around the $15 level. So I can highlight that actually on the chart. So any breakout really into that region around $18 first would need to pass the $15 mark. So that's a very important level. So keep an eye on that level. Already, I would believe a break above 1440 here, this high, would mark you know, a sort of possible breakout. But at the moment, this does not really look impulsive to me. Looks very corrective, not very strong, not very much volume. So it looks like we come down once more before we have a chance to go up, unless we now already go earlier above 1440. I mean, it doesn't need to come any lower. Yeah, it's done enough. But then again, if I look at this, this looks like, you know, if we have here, let's say we have a wave 1 up here, then this was an A, B, this might be a C, 1, 2. The 3 is obviously always long. This could be a wave 4, and yeah, one more leg down into this region, maybe around 1230. Wouldn't be surprised. Okay. If we look at the FIB levels, then we get the next key support actually for that. And that would be around 1250. Okay, so wouldn't be surprised to see the 1250 before we see a stronger reaction. That's my update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.